Hey there! Dreaming of making a passive income online? Well, look no further because today we're diving into the world of Midjourney, where untapped potential awaits you. Whether you're seeking new opportunities or an entrepreneur hungry for success, we've got something special for you. A fantastic generative AI tool that will turn your prompts into works of art. Welcome to our Smart AI World channel, dedicated to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its applications in everyday life. If you too are curious about how our lives will change thanks to artificial intelligence, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay up to date on the evolution of this field. Before we get into the step-by-step tutorial, let me show you how Midjourney can help you to earn money. Platforms like Etsy, Society6 or Redbubble provide you with a marketplace to showcase and sell your AI-generated artwork. You can upload your digital art created by Midjourney and earn commission with each sale. But why stop there? Online platforms like Printful or Printify can transform your AI-generated artwork into high-quality physical copies. You can share your AI-generated creations on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or art forums and attract potential clients seeking unique pieces. Midjourney AI visuals can help you create a line of apparel, home decor items, phone cases, or even graphics for books you can publish on Kindle. And the beauty is that you can get ChatGPT to write your book and get Midjourney to do the illustrations. Book sales will earn you passive income while you sleep. So, let's see how we can get Midjourney to generate AI art. Here's the deal. To access Midjourney, the easiest way is through Discord. If you're not familiar with Discord, don't worry. It's like WhatsApp for communities, and it's super easy to get started. Just go to discord.com and download it if you haven't already. Once you have your Discord account ready, we can dive into the world of Midjourney. To join the Midjourney server, all you need to do is go to discord.gg/Midjourney. You can find the link in the description below. Confirm the invite, and voila! You're now part of the Midjourney Discord server, the hub of artistic wonders. It's the simplest way to interact with this fantastic AI art generator. Now, let's get down to business. All you have to do in one of the newbie channels is type /imagine to begin the magic. This is where your creativity takes center stage. Start by providing keywords that describe what you want the AI to generate. For example, if you envision a dragon riding scenario, type it in and let Midjourney work its magic. Midjourney accepts natural language prompts to create visuals. But here's a pro tip for the best results. Add --v_4 after your keywords. This instructs Midjourney to use version 4, which delivers the most astonishing results. Additionally, you can specify the aspect ratio by typing --AR, followed by the desired ratio, such as 2:3 or 1:1 or 3:2. Now it's time to hit that enter key and watch the AI in action. Just wait a moment and there you have it. The AI-generated artwork appears before you, showcasing the immense capabilities of Midjourney. But the excitement doesn't end there. You're presented with 9 or more options to explore. Each option has a letter assigned to it. U stands for upscale, meaning it can be scaled up to full resolution if you find a favorite among these options. And V stands for I like this version. You can create even more variations by selecting different versions and indicating your preferences. Once you've made your choices, you can generate up to 25 AI-generated artworks for free. And if you're hungry for more, for just $10 a month, you can unlock the premium tier, which offers 100 incredible creations. Plus, with the premium subscription, you can generate them privately, ensuring your artwork remains exclusive. Midjourney is a game-changer for artists, creators, and anyone seeking to dive into AI-generated art. So, take advantage of this extraordinary opportunity to unlock your artistic potential and witness your visions come to life. And there you have it, art enthusiasts. The world of AI-generated art has never been more accessible, thanks to the incredible Midjourney AI art generator. From breathtaking landscapes to fantastical creatures, Midjourney brings your imagination to life with just a few simple prompts. Remember, the possibilities are endless with Midjourney. Let your creativity soar, surprise yourself with the masterpieces you can create, and unlock new potential in making money online. So, are you ready to monetize your artistic journey? Be sure to catch all future updates, tutorials, and creative inspirations. If you're as blown away by the mesmerizing world of AI art generation as we are, you're in for a treat. Have you heard about Smart AI World? Trust me, this is a channel you want to take advantage of. When you hit that subscribe button, you're not just signing up for some run-of-the-mill content. Oh no, my friend. You're gaining access to a mind-boggling realm of AI. It's like stepping into a whole new dimension. Remember, the future is now, and Smart AI World is your ticket to ride. So buckle up, subscribe, hit the like button, and share. We'd love to see what you think about the video in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Expect our next video soon.